Let's solve this example right here. We have 3s squared plus 2 equals negative 62. And we're going to go ahead and solve by taking square roots. I don't see a clear path to the difference of two squares. It will have somewhat number squared, but I won't have two perfect squares. So I'm going to solve by taking square roots. 3s squared is equal to negative 64. And there we see 64, which is a nice perfect square for us. But we need to divide by 3. That 3 is really the problem that prevented us from having a difference of two squares. So we're going to use this method. We don't have a linear term, s to the first power. No quadratic formula needed, no AC method needed. Let's just go ahead. Right here, s squared is equal to negative 64 over 3. Now, to get s alone, this is where we take the square root of both sides. And when we are the ones taking the square root ourselves, we put a plus minus in front. This negative right here is really a negative 1 times 64. That means we have plus minus. That negative is going to be negative 1. Square root of negative 1 is everyone's favorite imaginary unit I. That will come out. Square root of 64 is 8. That will also come out. So plus minus 8i over square root of 3. And all we need to do now to make our answer perfection is to rationalize our denominator. I hope you remember how to do that. And I think you should press pause right now. Try it by yourself. Go ahead. I'll wait. Okay, if you're back, I hope you did it. And I hope you're not like, whatever, I know how to do it. I don't need to press pause and then you're going to get it wrong. Like a test or a quiz. And hopefully you think about this moment. So we'll see what happens. That's why you got to try on your own. Plus minus 8i root 3 all over. Don't you dare put root 9. Don't be a weenie. You can do it. It's 3. Okay? And there we have it. Two imaginary solutions. Rationalized. Beautiful. Lovely. And we're done. This over here was just us acknowledging or addressing the imaginary unit I. And I hope that you can find another example that'll help you out on the playlist or maybe on the screen. And good luck.